Hello and welcome to a new Server 2008 Hero Happen session. In this session, we will talk about one of many new features which has been provided in Server 2008. As you can see, Server 2008 has not just new powerful vision, it has also much easier tools, much user-friendly tools to make our life easier. Now, how can make Server 2008 our life easier? We know that Server 2008 has inbuilt virtualization, more security, better web services in it, but is it enough to make our administrator's life easier? In these days, everyone is going to holiday. Isn't it? Who doesn't like to go to holidays? Okay, now say you James, you're going this weekend to holiday, and you like to play golf. You buy one of the golf magazines and in the airport, and you notice that it's coming with a nice demo CD. You grab it and it says, how to play golf in 10 hours. Alright, you like it, you install it in your laptop, and in the background, you're not noticing it, but this service is turning off Windows updates. Can happen. Now, you're going to holiday, making 2 weeks nice holiday, coming back. Now, in these 2 weeks, Microsoft has released many new updates, which has, because your machine was turned to get the automatic updates, you are 2 weeks back. So your security signature is not current. You're going back to your network, plugging in your cable in, your Cat5 cable in, and guess what? Boom! It doesn't allow you to connect to network. It says you got limited connection. Why? What do you think? This is what they think, Yeah, this is one of the new functions from Server 2008. Now, what is Server 2008? How is Server 2008 protecting it? Via NAP, Network Address Protection. How is this helping us to protect from stopping, for example, getting stopped from Windows updates? What this service does is, it will check your current security signature with the server, and if it doesn't match, it won't allow you to get IP addresses. It might give you two options. One, you please contact your network administrator. Two, you might even can set up update services internally, which will try to fix your computer. Anyway, how can we implement NAP? As you can see, we are in Server 2008 screen, and this screen is giving us perfect vision. Oh, look at this, roles. We can add now new roles, so I just right click in, add new roles, and from here, we just see which roles do we got installed. At the moment, we got 0 of 16 roles installed, and our goal is to install network access services. For this, we have to click Network Policy and Access Services. Click Next. Network Services and Access Services will install us Routing and Remote Access Services, Health Registration Authority, and Host Credential Authorization with it. Once we click Next, you will see that our Network Policy server includes also Routing and Remote Access Services, Routing, Health and Authority, Host and Credential Authorization, as I mentioned a few seconds ago. Our goal is just to make the server ready to install NAP. How can we do that? We just click Network Policy Server, click Next, and it is going to say, look, we got one message. This server might need to be restarted after installation completed. No problem. It's worth to get these services up and running. Then we just click in the installation. And the installation is continuing. I'm gonna stop now. Finally, it's ready, and it says Windows Automatic Update is not enabled. Oh, to install the latest update, we have to use Windows Update in it. Okay, but don't worry about this warning now. We're just checking installation is succeeded, and we can close our services. And in this two box here, we can also see that one service is installed and this is the network policy server. Now, is this ready? Of course not. We just finished the first step. The second step is we just go to Start, Admin Tools, Network Policy Server. And in the Network Policy Server, we have to also configure our NAP, Network Access Protection from here. Let's click in Configure NAP. It's going to ask you, what is your connection method? You can select, I'm using a Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. And so, the policy name has been automatically given to you, which is NAP DHCP. Do you get any radius client? If you got a radius client, you can just click Add. In our case, we just go to Next. Now, do you got any DHCP scopes which you want to specify for one or more NAP-enabled scopes? If you yes, then you can click Add. If not, you can just go with Next. Again, it's in this option, you will configure user groups and machine groups, which help us to grant or deny access to computers or machine groups, of course. In this case, I'm sticking to the defaults as well. Now, recommendation server group. It wants us to specify a NAP recommendation server group to store the software updates of NAP clients that need them. So, if we want, we can just click. We can create a new group, or we can put a URL, troubleshooting URL. Remember, I said we can set it up so it can go to a server. In this case, I'm just leaving blank and continue it. Now, define NAP health policy. So, if a computer is ineligible to connect to your network, what do you want to do? Do you want to deny full network access to NAP ineligible computers and allow access to restricted network only, which might go to your update services, or it will go and allow full network access, but you will be notified? Of course, the most secure way is the first way, to deny full network access. We click on Next, and it's gonna tell us, look, alright, that's what you've done. You just created some health policies with the DHCP compliant. You named it, and here are your configuration details. Do you like them? If yes, this is all what we went through. If you like them, yes, click Finish, and this service is ready to run. Now we're going to do some practices regarding that, and I hope you enjoyed this new service, which I believe is one of the most important features in Server 2008.